How to change location in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location in T3 Arena game. First of all, open the T3 Arena game on your device and log in. From the home page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the horizontal menu buttons and click on Options. Inside the Options tab, click on Account from the left-hand side menu. Under Account Info, tap on Edit right next to Location. Now select a different location you want to change to and click on Confirm. Your location can be changed only once a day. Now after you do that, your location will be updated. So that is how you change your location in T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.